During the world premiere of SAT400, one of the interested CPO asked a question: why we did decide to install AD displays on our chargers. For me, it's obvious. Those displays are the best answer for new business needs. They allow for independent content management, and all our clients can generate additional revenue through advertisement. They help in the simple way to execute marketing strategy, building brand recognition, engaging customers, and of course, they support purchasing decision. Last but not least, in one version of SAT400, the AD displays as well as payment terminal are accessible from both sides, which maximize visibility and engagement. Are our AD displays a revolutionary addition? They definitely a part of our vision of being innovative and ahead of the competition.